Let's see if this thing's on. Hey boys and girls, my relatives just came in, so, or her relatives, my niece's relatives on her husband's side came in. So I'm back to the old house. Move this around, whoops. There we go, that's a lot better. Okay, I'm back to my old house. The nurse is gone finally. I'm a little tired, kids. Okay, first things up, we're going to talk about where I put it. Because this was getting too confusing for most people. I have to break it up into little sections. In this section, we're going to cover simple light. Now, first thing we're going to do is, where did I put it? Oh yeah, Will Patriot. Here's our friend Will Patriot. Please check him out. Help him out, folks. Help him out in his giveaway. Send him some cash so we can get good giveaways. And also, whatchamacallit, to help fund him too, because Will's a growing little channel and got to help him out. Another person we want to help out is Wayne of West Wind Survival. Okay. Check out his channel. Don't forget, one day they had a real good round table. I was too sick, so I couldn't make it. I just stopped by for a few minutes to listen in, because I was using my grandniece's tablet. Just having fun, kids. You'll see this probably Sunday night. I want to put a whole bunch out. So check out these folks. And Galvin got his compound bow. 40 to 45 is good for you. Don't go overboard. And you're not killing Godzilla. So about 40 to 60 pounds is okay. Then we got Happy Forever. Make sure you help these folks out right here. See them? And check out Hubble's Cat of the Prius. Great little car. Very green and economical. Okay. And these folks right here. Again, Will Patriot, Modern Refugee, Biddy Boo, and all these folks. Please check them out. Help them out. Check out their channels. Okay. This is what you got. Please check out their channel. It's always short. They might get taken down. She's one of the working socialist workers in California. She's not a socialist, but she's a Republican trapped in California working as a wage slave. So there's no future or hope for her. Check her out. Help these folks out. Okay, Cheryl's going to get probably the edge of the superstorm. I told you we're going to have a thermal foot, but nobody watches Uncle Ange videos or listen to him. That's fine. Okay, it's 3 big storms. We got one coming down from the southeast and northeast. We got one coming across the west coast, and we got one from the northwest. But that's 4, I think. No, 3, because I was arguing with the other weather guys about this. So it's one big storm, but actually it's 3. Please send them cash, gear, funding for these people right here. That's AK Fab. We got to get them to their goal, 500. We got to get Cheryl Hirsch to her goal, 500. Okay? And Cheryl's, like I said, help out her kids, because she really needs it. Now, what the heck was I doing? Okay. We're talking about lighting. Uncle Alan's kind of tired, because I keep repeating myself over and over again. I got a pile of paperwork here on some good stuff, but we have to do it. Sorry, this is going to run about 10 minutes. Okay, we're doing simple lighting. Now, old days, everybody had this. Probably this. Remember these as a kid? Something like this. Dad's in the workshop garage. And when you always went camping, you had one of these big puppies, remember? Okay, that's good back in the 90s, the 80s, the 60s, the 70s. That's fine when you could use this. and these for a simple blackout. But times have changed. You have to get updated. Uncle Alan's just get tired. Okay, remember last time I showed you is my simple blackout lighting kit? It hasn't changed much, except I added another flashlight, which I'm going to show you. Okay, usually I have some candles, which will be these, the old standby. We'll have a lighter, and this I got to show you. Now, to update the candles, I do recommend these for older people and kids, so they don't burn down the house. Now, let's see. Because it's fall and near Christmas and Black Friday, this about $25 flashlight, great light. It's about 280 lumens. All right, it's from Lux Pro. It's a hardware company. It's designed in America. I can't remember, still made in China. Can't help with that. But it's well made. It has a clip right here. Has a click on and adjustable lights. So I can go high, low, and it lasts about 8 hours on running load time, which is pretty good. 3 hours if it's on high time, which is really good. And it's also AA, the big thing. Now, I tested it out about maybe 100 feet works fine. Not a problem. Okay, combine it with this. All right, I'll get a headlamp. This and this works great. Most of the time, that one's a little, I got more flashlights than you wouldn't believe. This one is my preferred one. This one's made by Everary. It's one of the copies they have. It takes about 3 to 4, okay, AAAs. The only problem with this is it has limited range. Bright isn't bright as this one. This is about 150 versus this one. You can tell the difference between the two. Put that over there. And again, this will fit into this. This will fit into this. And they both takes batteries that you get at the gas station. You try to find 2EA voltage batteries at 12 o'clock at night. It's really hard. I tell a lot of people get one of these. These aren't expensive. On low. On high. Okay? Easy as pie, folks. A simple headlamp. Now I do have, that one takes about 3, I think 3 AAAs. This one, let me get it untangled. You could tell Uncle Alan's doing this live because of the little knit bag. I think I caught it again. Okay, there. Lovely. Little knit bag. This one is a specialized headlamp. Fits on my head. Very limited range. It's for dark. I couldn't get the red one, but I did get the white one. And this has a very low setting on light. It's good up close where I have to do close-up work. Only takes one AAA battery. And this is for not for seeing further distance, but it's more like a pen light, so I can see up close, read things, map stuff, and you can't tell at a distance because it's very faint. Okay, but it still works. It's like my LED keychain and my handcuffs keys. Now, we all seen this. On Sunday, hopefully I get another one for $4.29. These are really handy. Made by a whole bunch of different people. The only problem with these is the base. I tested the base and it's not high density resin plastic. It's some kind of knockoff plastic. This one is the same thing. It's not a high density resin. It's more of a knockoff plastic. It's still very, very strong. This and the body. But unfortunately, Uncle Alan always, I don't trust people. I double check, triple check. And this one is durable. If they put the real high resin plastic, it'd be twice or 6 times the price. But it does the job because the high expensive one, the high end one, has the same internal workings as this one. And that takes 3 AA batteries. So I'm pretty well covered if I had this and this and this. I'm pretty well covered. And it comes in a little mesh bag, not too big. That's how easy this is, kids. Not rocket science, DOE. You go all put this in. Okay, see? Little mesh bag. Not rocket science. You put your basic amount in here. You put your flashlights in here. Headlamps. Headband for the big flashlight. And this. Okay? Compared to this. See the difference? This with 5 pounds of D-cell batteries or a 6-pound volt battery. This right here, same weight. Cover more territory, more people, easy to use. And you don't kill yourself. Alright kids, I'll catch you later. This is your old pal, Uncle Al. And like I said, get ready for the big thermal flip. It's going to be a cold one, folks. Damn it, can't see anything. There we go. Let's see how I shut this thing off. Okay, there.